everyone! Welcome to Learn Cantonese with Joy. Today we will continue to learn how to confidently order food in Hong Kong street stalls. This is the part 2 of the series. Today we'll learn how to make a special request. 走 something 唔該 No something please. And we'll learn a connective 同埋 and.By mastering this sentence structure, you can not only ordering food in Hong Kong street stalls, but also in 茶餐廳 Hong Kong style restaurant, 酒樓 Chinese tea house, etc. So, what do we wait? Let's start. In the last part of the series, we have learned 7 of the most popular street snacks in Hong Kong and how to order them in different portions. You can watch the videos by clicking the link on the right-hand corner. Today we'll learn how to order different food in the same sentence. Let's look at these 2 examples. 一份咖喱魚蛋啦，唔該 A portion of curry fish balls, please. 一份臭豆腐啊，唔該 A portion of stinky tofu, please.By using the connective 同埋 and, we can connect these 2 sentences into one. Something 同埋 something. 一份咖喱魚蛋同埋一份臭豆腐 A portion of curry fish balls and a portion of stinky tofu. To make this order, we use the same sentence structure. Something 唔該一份咖喱魚蛋同埋一份臭豆腐啊唔該 A portion of curry fish balls and a portion of stinky tofu, please. With many street snacks, there are different sauces. Today we'll learn 4 of the common sauces. Let's start. 芥辣醬 mustard. 甜醬 sweet sauce. 辣醬 hot sauce. 豉油 soy sauce.If we want to talk about 2 different sauces, again, we can use the connective 同埋 and something 同埋 something. For example, mustard and hot sauce. 芥辣醬同埋辣醬. Alright, it's your turn. Sweet sauce and soy sauce. 甜醬同埋豉油. Good.So now we move on to learn how to make the special request. No something please. We use the word 走. 走 means get rid of. 走 something 啊唔該 For example, no sweet sauce. 走甜醬 And now it's your turn. No soy sauce. 走豉油 No mustard.走芥辣醬 No hot sauce. 走辣醬 So now we have learned both of the expression 走 something 啊唔該 and something 同埋 something. That means if I don't want 2 sauces, I can say it in one sentence. What is it? For example, no mustard and hot sauce.走 Yes, 走芥辣醬同埋辣醬 Now we can use the something 唔該 sentence structure to order the stinky tofu, no mustard and hot sauce. What should I say? Simple. 一份臭豆腐走芥辣醬同埋辣醬啊唔該A portion of stinky tofu without mustard and hot sauce, please. Now is your turn. You have 5 seconds for each order. 練習1 Practice 1. You order 2 different kinds of food. 一份煎釀三寶同埋一份炒麵啊唔該A portion of free stuffed treasures and a portion of fried noodles, please. 練習2 Practice 2. You order 1 kind of food with a special request. 一份燒賣走甜醬啊唔該 1 portion of 燒賣 without sweet sauce, please. 練習3 Practice 3 You order one kind of food, you want 2 portions of it with a special request of getting rid of 2 sauces. 2份腸粉、酒、芥辣醬同埋辣醬啊，唔該。2 portions of rice noodles rolls without mustard and hot sauce, please. 練習4 Practice 4 You order 2 kinds of food with a special request respectively. 1份腸粉、酒、芥辣醬1份燒賣、酒豉油啊，唔該。A portion of rice noodle rolls without mustard, a portion of 燒賣 without soy sauce, please. Great, we finished all practices. By mastering these sentence structures and learning different names of the food, you can not only ordering food in Hong Kong street stores, but also in 茶餐廳、茶樓, etc. See you next time. Bye bye.